y'all, this is Dave with DaBomb Smoke.
Dave the Who?
Today, I'm going to be cooking inside. I always cook outside, and I love cooking outside, but today I'm going to cook in the Instant Pot, and I'm going to do some beef, what does it say? Beef short ribs. So, stay tuned. Okay, I've got 2 small racks of beef ribs here. I'm going to start off by putting a little bit of Worcestershire sauce on them. Now, I've got some West Coast shake I'm going to put on there. This is pretty good. Good stuff. And I'll put the link to this in the description box below. And that's pretty much all there is to that. And then we come back, we're going to put them in the Instant Pot. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in there like this. I'm not even going to cut them up. You can cut them up if you want to individually, but this is really all that you need. Just so they fit in there. Just like that. And there we go. Now, I'm not going to put any liquid in this thing because it generates so much of its own liquid. We're going to put the lid on. Make sure this is in the closed position. Yep. All right. Let's press the meat stew button and put it on for 65 minutes. All right, now we'll let it do its thing, and we'll be back in 65 minutes. All right, y'all, it's done. Be very careful when you're releasing the steam. Of course, there's not a whole lot of steam. And we're going to take this off. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at there. All I got to do is pull them bones off. And it's done. Alright, I'm going to pull these bones out of here, and then we're going to put some barbecue sauce on there. Oh yeah, Jack Daniel's honey barbecue sauce. Alrighty, then we're going to put them in, we're going to put these in the oven. Gonna hit broil. Yep. We're gonna set a timer for about 10 minutes. And we'll be back. There they are, nice and tender. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a nice homemade butter biscuit to that. Let's give these things a taste test. Oh yeah. That's some good stuff. Try one of these homemade biscuits. Yes, sir. Homemade biscuit and some beef ribs in the Instant Pot. Now, they're not as good as if you did them on the smoker, but they are delicious. And you can also have these with some mashed taters.